From exile to intrigue, the rise and fall of Berenice IV. Berenice IV, the older sister of the famous Cleopatra VII, was born into the Ptolemaic dynasty, the Greek royal family that ruled Egypt during the Hellenistic period. She was born around 77 BCE in Alexandria, Egypt. Berenice IV's father was Ptolemy X Auletes, the ruler of Egypt, and her mother was likely Cleopatra V Tryphena. Her childhood was marked by the complex and often turbulent family dynamics of the Ptolemaic dynasty, characterized by power struggles and rivalries. Berenice's path to the throne was unusual. In 58 BCE, her father, Ptolemy X, was driven out of Egypt by a popular revolt and fled to Rome. Berenice, as the eldest legitimate daughter, was proclaimed queen by the people of Alexandria. She initially co-ruled with her older sister, Cleopatra VI Tryphena, possibly her mother, Cleopatra V, until Cleopatra VI died or disappeared a year later, leaving Berenice as the sole queen in 57 BCE. As a lone female ruler, Berenice was expected to marry a co-regent. Her first marriage to a man named Seleucus Kybiosactes was short-lived. She reportedly had him strangled soon after the wedding due to his vulgarity. She then married Archelaus, who was made a king but did not hold formal co-regency. Berenice's reign was brought to a brutal end in 55 BCE. Her father, Ptolemy XIV Auletes, secured Roman military backing, led by the proconsul Aulus Gabinius, to invade Egypt and reclaim his throne. Berenice and Archelaus's forces were defeated, and Archelaus died in battle. Upon re-entering Alexandria, Ptolemy XIII Auletes had his daughter, Berenice IV, executed for usurping his rule. Her death cleared the way for her younger sister, Cleopatra VII, to eventually inherit the throne as co-ruler with her brother, Ptolemy XIII, upon their father's death in 51 BCE. Historical records regarding Berenice IV are limited, leaving some details of her life shrouded in ambiguity. Nevertheless, her brief but dramatic 3-year reign provides a clear insight into the ruthless power struggles and political machinations that characterized the final years of the Ptolemaic dynasty. From exile to intrigue, the rise and fall of Berenice IV